Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bobo.
I'm Ernie.
And this is
Wellincart TV.
Alright, so as you can see, we have a lot of ingredients over here. We're finally making something.
Yes.
What we want to make today, Yomie! Yes! Actually, we saw this news right on Facebook a few days ago saying that the Malaysian's Yomie is actually closing down.
Yeah.
But I'm not too sure whether that one is real or not. But we have this idea at the back of our mind for quite some time already.
Yeah.
Because we are regular at Yomie's. We normally buy it about like one time per week. Okay, so today we're gonna share on how you can actually make your own yogurt smoothie or make your own version of Yomie's at home. But of course, you can browse online and see there are a lot of recipes online. But today, what we share is something different. Is that we're gonna create a healthier version of yogurt smoothie for you to enjoy without feeling guilty.
Yes.
Alright. So Ernie will be here to talk about the ingredients.
So the very first thing what we will need is to actually make the base. So to make the base, we will need our yogurt. Okay, you can see here the yogurt we have specially selected the low-fat Greek yogurt. Why? It's because Greek yogurt is a very good source of calcium. At the same time, it also has a higher amount of protein compared to the other yogurts in the market. Okay, and also we will want to add in our low-fat milk. Why low-fat? Because low-fat has lower calories as well as lower fat content. So this will actually help to compensate the higher amount of content from the Greek yogurt. For our milk, we can actually freeze it into cubes. The reason for this is because you know how you want to keep our Yomie cold, right? We do not like all those hot yogurt drink. It's so not nice. So that's why we actually freeze it so that we don't actually add additional amount of water and all that kind of thing from the ice. And then additionally, also you can see we have selected two kinds of flavors. So the one flavor that we'll be actually making today is strawberry, and the second flavor will be the best seller, is the purple rice. And also, if let's say you have a sweet tooth, you want something to be a little bit sweeter, then you can add in your sugar.
Yes.
Okay, so now that we already know all the ingredients that we need to make our Yomie yogurt drink, let's get cooking! Go! Low-fat Greek yogurt. This one we will need half a cup. Bobo is my assistant, so I will just observe her. Okay. Very good assistant. I don't need to use any hands. While waiting, can dance a bit.
Half a cup.
Okay, so half a cup
into the blender.
Yes, into your blender.
Okay.
Okay, now that you have added your yogurt, here is where we add in our frozen cubes low-fat milk. This one we will need 7 cubes.
Okay.
Wow.
2, 3.
Okay, you can see our frozen cube has already melted, so requires a little bit more effort. Accident will happen. Accidents happen. It's okay. We are forgiven. Okay, so this is our base. So what Bobo will do right now is she's gonna blend it up.
Do you want to add sugar?
So we will add about 2 cubes, which is equivalent to 10 grams of sugar, which is 2 teaspoons. We shall blend. So now that it's done, this is when we add in our flavor, which is our purple rice. So for purple rice, we will add in 2 tablespoons. Okay, make sure it's a little bit heat.
And also for this purple rice, right, if let's say you want it to be chewy and all, remember to soak it 1 hour before you cook it.
Okay, and also we think this purple rice is actually a very good substitute to your boba tea. The reason is because purple rice is actually high in antioxidants.
Yes.
Alright, so you notice that it actually has a purple color, right? It's actually created by a flavonoid called anthocyanin, which acts as a powerful antioxidant.
So our last step is to blend it. We're done with our purple rice.
Okay.
So let's pour it in a cup.
Wow! Okay, let's say if you want it to be a little bit cooler, you can also top up with some ice cube.
We're almost done.
Yes, we're almost done. You can see it's so frothy at the top, it's so nice. So we're gonna make a second flavor now, which is the strawberry flavor. So same thing like just now, you do your base, you add in your yogurt. At the same time, you also add in your low-fat milk ice cubes.
Also the same, 7 cubes.
Yes, the same amount.
6, 7.
Okay, so at the same time this time, you add in your strawberry as well. So strawberry, we need about a handful of strawberries.
And then the last step is to add the
Sugar cubes.
sugar cubes.
Blending stop. simple, it took us less than 5 minutes.
Yeah,
or maybe 2 minutes even. I guess so, 2 minutes. Or even 1 minute. Yeah.
Alright, look at the color. Ooh, so nice.
So pretty.
Okay, so we're gonna invite our colleagues to try both our version as well as the Yomie version and ask them to rate. Alright, so let's go.
Let's go call our colleagues. Yeah, recording already.
Try to see which one is ours one and which one is Yomie's one. Yes.
I can try now, idea, right?
Yeah, alright.
Wait, let me compare first. Appearance 4. And then taste wise is 4 out of 5. Texture 3 out of 5. I think I actually prefer this texture. It's like not so thick. This one is thicker.
For mine, actually, overall, I like this cup better. In terms of all the 3 aspects, this one I will give average like 9/10.
Wow.
9/10, guys!
Because I really like this so much compared to this one. Let's say from the appearance, this one is like
Gooey.
yeah. And then the taste, if you are comparing, this one is much more richer. If this one is really like the natural one, I think I will make it myself. Yeah, because the taste is very, very good.
Hi, I'm back. So, to reveal to you, this one, our very own one is this one!
It's this one.
Okay, and for this one, wow, we are very happy, very, very humble to say this one is ours!
So overall, you all like it?
Yes.
So basically, this one is the one that you can easily make at home.
Yes, can sell already.
Thank you.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Alright, so we're done with the making and reviewing process, and you can see actually the recipes are actually very easy for you to replicate at home, and it's also of healthier version already. The consistency and the texture wise, you can see from the Yomie's one is slightly thicker because they are using full cream, whereas for ours it's slightly, I would say, thinner as well as
and
smoother,
smoother.
because all the dairy products that we use is actually of lower fat content. And of course, if you see from here, the calories will be different as well lah. Ours will be like lower calories, and then it will be perfect for your snacks as well because it's of higher protein. So instead of you craving for those kind of like sweet little stuff and kueh mueh, right, I would say this one would be a perfect snack for your evening, and it's also very refreshing.
So basically, right, this is also very wallet friendly. Why do we say so? It's because if let's say you go out and purchase all the ingredients, you realize you only need so little ingredients. At the same time, you can make so many yogurt drinks. Yeah, so it's actually very friendly on your wallet. Yeah, compared to let's say you go buy one drink itself, it costs nearly like 17 ringgit depending on the type of flavors you choose. Yeah.
But of course, this one is all very friendly for you to make at home. You just need the blender, and then you just need some spoon as well as some cup, and then all the ingredients that we stated just now, then you'll be able to replicate at home. So I think that's all for our videos today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also share it to your friends and hit the like button. And stay tuned for our new video next time. We shall see you soon. Bye!